I have a mobility impairment.
I'm dyslexic, which means I have difficulty reading and pretty bad handwriting.
And I became legally blind at 25.
And I'm a graduate from the University of Washington's Master of Human-Computer Interaction and Design program.
My major in that is human-centered computing.
I'm an undergraduate at Auburn University, majoring in computer science and focusing in accessibility.
Leading the way, computing students and professionals with disabilities.
I'm Richard Ladner, professor in computer science and engineering at the University of Washington. We rely on computers, tablets, and smartphones to do work and stay connected more than ever. Not only can technology provide access to people with disabilities, but people with disabilities can be part of the computing workforce as software and web engineers, systems administrators, usability engineers, and researchers.
I am a software development engineer at Amazon. So I started programming when I was around 15. I've always been really into computers. I used to play a lot of audio games. Those are basically like video games, but they use sound instead of graphics. So I was really into those. You know, I really wanted to create games, and that's what really got me into programming.
My name is Jessie Schulman, and I'm an operations program manager in the web services field and a graduate of the University of Washington. And I have a learning disability, so I struggle with language to begin with. So learning a computer syntax like Java. All the problems that I had, the struggles that I had with English came up again with Java. So the early coursework was really difficult for me, but when I stuck with it, I really enjoyed the data structure classes that came later on.
I don't just have a passion for it, I live it. I breathe and think what I can do with a computer or with computing systems, and that's why I have 6 of them, and I do everything imaginable with them. My goal is to see what can be done instead of what can't be done.
There's nowhere you can look in computing and not find a challenge. I'm the kind of person who, when I come across one of those little challenges, I keep digging and digging and digging until I can find the answer and figure out how to fix the problem I'm having.
I'm Sam Seppa. I'm an HR professional and I've worked for a variety of tech companies over the last 10 years of my career. And now I'm focusing on recruitment for software engineers.
Students are attracted to computing for a variety of reasons.
My name is Cindy Bennett, and I am a first-year PhD student in the Human-Centered Design and Engineering Department at the University of Washington.
My name is Patience. I am an undergrad at UW Tacoma. So I'm finishing my BS in Information and Technology at UW Tacoma.
My name is Jessie, and I'm a fourth-year student at the University of Washington, majoring in informatics with a minor in diversity, and I get to find myself as SCAD.